Hey everyone! Creating a custom indicator in TradingView allows you to visualize unique market insights using Pine Script, a lightweight language designed specifically for traders. In 2026, the Pine editor is more intuitive than ever. Here is how to build your first indicator from scratch. Step 1. Locating the hidden menu. We are looking at the very bottom right of your TradingView chart. Look for the tab labeled Pine Editor. Think of this like the Inspect element of your trading chart. We're heading here because this is where the instructions for every indicator live. Even if you never write code, knowing how to open this allows you to copy-paste scripts from professional traders or the community. Step 2. Opening a ready-made template. We're going to the Open or New button inside that bottom panel. Instead of typing, you just click Open and select Default Built-in Script. We do this because TradingView has hundreds of pre-written recipes. By opening a built-in, the code appears automatically. You're not writing it, you're just loading a professional template that you can then add to your chart with one click. Step 3. The Add to Chart button. Still in that bottom panel, looking at the top right header, look for the button that says Add to Chart. This is the most important button for a non-coder. It takes whatever is sitting in that text box and turns it into a visual tool on your screen. If you find a cool script online, you just paste it here and hit this button, no coding knowledge required. Why this matters for you. You should know where this is because the best indicators aren't always in the standard Indicators menu. Many pro traders share their secret sauce scripts in forums. By knowing how to open this bottom panel, you can simply paste their work, hit save, and have a professional grade setup in seconds. Now you know how to access the back end of your charts without breaking anything. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.